This is the Christmas tree clipping mask template. I'm going to go through quickly with you how to use it and the different customizations that you can use using the layers menu. So when it opens up, it's going to open up something like this. And on the right hand side over here with your layers, you'll see there's a folder that says optional text. And what this allows you to do is basically turn on different sayings on the template. So if you simply go through and make visible whatever you'd like and make sure that the others are hidden. So I'll stick with that Merry Christmas in the top left. Now these next layers are the top, the star, if you want it on or off. And then the following are your top image, which is basically this shape here, your middle, bottom left, and bottom right image. And then you've got your white background or green background. So if you want, you can have a green background. I like the look of the white, but so that's basically an explanation of the layers. Now, to use the template, all you've got to do is open up a file in Photoshop. This is a stock image by Jeremiah Lawrence. Drag and drop it in. I'm just going to transform this ahead of time, so I'm going to make it a little smaller just so that you can see what I'm doing. But so that's Control T that I've used, the free transform tool. And we see here the layers popped in right here. What I'm going to do is I'd like maybe this one to be the top image here, for example. So I'm going to drag this layer directly above the shape that I want it to go into. So right above the top image. And then all I'm going to do is right click on it and click on Create Clipping Mask. And then as you can see over here, what it's done is it's basically put it inside that shape. Now you can still move this around once it's in. Once it's in there, you can use your transform tool to resize it and position it how you want. This one obviously needs to be a little bigger for her head, but and of course you're gonna have to pick images that work for for each of the shapes that you've got. So then all you would have to do is drag and drop your next image in, place it above the middle image, so in between top image and middle image for the layers, right click on it and then add it and click clipping mask and it'll add it to that middle image. Same with the bottom two as well. So this template uses clipping masks. I hope that helps, and you can find this template in the shop.